Thank you very much. May I start by greeting the bereaved family, Mema Nawa, the kids, and everybody. I'm told not to be long. Kauri nako barijilwe kinja tsuburginja kayeja. Let me also greet Ntate Panyaza Lesufi, my friend. I'm very happy that you are also here. And I'm not going to talk a lot ka sugar. Karuna nerimitsa sugar though. Babanga tanza bara bradon. Nane lendwana monna. Onale munyani monna. But I'll just quote a few movies. I remember the first time we were shooting Gwakala Nyonini, part 2, where he came in as a lawyer. And Ale lawyer, my wife, Beauty. And then every time when I wanted to speak to him as a lawyer, onang kapela go tuko. So we've worked together on that production, and then when we finished that production, that company, Skolds Films, was one of the busiest companies by then. And after we shot that Gwakala Nyonini, the director, Bob Riley, may his soul rest in peace. Bob Riley said to me, Magic, we are coming now with another 13 episode, which might be 24 episodes because of the script. I like the script. And so you are going to play a lead on that one as Zakem Shongo. So I said to Bob, unfortunately, let me say something. I was the favorite Kanakwe Skolds Films. I said to Bob, because when Skolds Films was shooting movies, we were not going for auditions. We were being auditioned in the office, and then we were given characters by then. So Bob said to me, Magic, you are going to portray this role, Yazakem Shongo. Then I said to him, Bob, unfortunately, I can't be in that movie. Reason being, Rona Lebovus Dibakwane and Bo Simon Sabela and all the other guys are going back to Philo Peters Films to shoot the part 2, Yefalagwa Mteto. Now, unfortunately, I can't play on this one. Then Bob said to me, tell me, Magic, now, who can portray this role? No, you've got so many actors that you can choose from. Then he said to me, I've got 2 guys in mind that I want them to portray this role. He said it was Sidney Chama, the late Sidney Chama, may his soul rest in peace too. Sidney Chama and Don Mlangeni. Now, what do you think, Magic, of the 2? Then we sat down with him, we read the script. After reading the script, then he asked me, who do you think can portray this part the way I want it to be? We both chose Ushuga. We said, Sugar will portray it. Then he said to me, do you know where he stays? I said, yes, you are still staying at Orlando West. Then he gave me a car and said to me, let's call him and go and pick him up. Then I went to Orlando West, Mo Sugar Nadulati, to go and pick him up. Then I said to him, Sugar, this is yours. Auna audition, auna next. You are just going straight into that role. And Sugar Cane, I want to tell you, he mesmerized that character. Apapala role, I think Linna, I wouldn't have done that role the way Sugar Aibapetin that. And then after that, Bob phoned me and said, Magic, we were right. That guy is 1 out of 100. So after that, then we went to shoot, I think in Eli, yes, go Penguin Films, ha ato shooter as good is nice. Though now I had a cameo role in that one. But when I came into that set and found him there, oh, Sugar, with his silly smile. Sugar was naughty. He was very naughty. Sugar na guarana, katsila enwe, okasitsibeng. Unata guara Sugar, how tlaba smile okara abuanix. That was Sugar for you. So I'd like to say to all the people that have worked with Sugar, please, armolokulenga tsamai. Uberekile, he has done his part. Baba rutileng kaufela, I know they are from good hands from Sugar. Baitutilen totsengata moyena. And then to the family, I'd like to say, Mama and your children, maybe, I don't know, I might quote something, Motlomo, but Babangata will think that I want to preach. I'm not preaching. So I'd like to quote Mama from the Bible. Hore, all of you, whenever you feel that Leamohopola, whenever you feel that Sugar, is roaming inside your house, just take your Bible and open John 16 and read from verse 33 and 34, where it says, Kelerutilen totsi, ninifundise lezinto, nganitshela ngalezinto, ukuthi nina emhlabeni niyakuba lusizi. Kodwa qinani isibindi ngoba mina izwe ngilinqobile. So that's Sugar for you. Izwe ulinqobile. Untshelile lezinto ngokudlala nangokwenzani nokugula kwakhe. You have seen him ukuthi ukugula kwakhe kungenelele kakhulu la ningasathembi khona. Kodwa qinani isibindi ngoba yena izwe ulinqobile. I thank you.